Ann, thanks for taking some time to talk this afternoon. I wanted to first ask you, for enterprise organizations evaluating their project and program management practices, what advice would you share as they consider the go-forward direction?
Okay. Thank you for having me, Mark. I would recommend that they first evaluate what is appropriate for their organization and assess what works and doesn't work within the existing culture, maturity, and stakeholder needs. I would also set the evaluation criteria based on data, not just on what people say. Draw your PMO future practice and implement your changes in stages to prevent any significant disruption. Regardless of the method an organization adopts for project management, I would recommend the PMO uses an iterative approach. Start with small processes with a team or two, ensure everyone gets the proper training and understands the objective. Check the outcomes, gather feedbacks, and adjust your process. Keep on staying positive. Then repeat, add more teams, implement more projects, expand the processes, etc. Buy-in will come with time, one team at a time.
Great insights, Ann. Thank you.